In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize Google Calendar so your schedule feels clear, simple, and easy to manage. If your calendar is packed with work meetings, personal plans, family events, and random reminders all mixed together, this tutorial will help you clean everything up and build a system that actually works. By the end, you'll know how to separate different areas of your life, color code events, add helpful reminders, and keep your calendar organized long term. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or the app and sign in with the account you want to organize. Once you're on the main calendar screen, take a moment to look at what's already there. If everything is all in one place, that's completely normal. We're going to fix that step by step. The first thing you want to do is create separate calendars for different parts of your life. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized because it helps you split work, personal, and family events into clear categories. On the left side, find the option to add a new calendar. Create one for work, one for personal, and one for family if you need them. You can also make calendars for school, side projects, or anything else that needs its own space. When your events are separated into different calendars, it becomes much easier to understand what kind of day you're having at a glance. Next, use different colors to distinguish each calendar and event. Color coding makes a huge difference because your calendar becomes easier to scan instantly. For example, you might use blue for work, green for personal, and orange for family. You can also assign certain event colors if something needs extra attention. The goal is to make your calendar visually clear so you don't have to read every single item to know what's going on. A well-colored calendar is much easier to manage and much less stressful to look at. After that, make sure you add clear and specific event titles. Instead of writing something vague like meeting or appointment, be more descriptive. For example, write team meeting with marketing, dentist appointment at Free or dinner with mum. The more specific your title is, the faster you'll understand what the event is without opening it. This also helps when you're reviewing a busy week and trying to figure out what each block of time means. Now, let's talk about recurring events. If you have activities that happen regularly, like weekly check-ins, gym sessions, class schedules, trash day, or morning routines, set them as repeating events instead of adding them one by one. This saves time and keeps your calendar consistent. When you create an event, look for the repeat or recurrence option and choose daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom schedule. Recurring events are one of the best ways to reduce clutter and make sure important routines never get forgotten. Once your recurring events are set up, it's time to add notifications for important events and deadlines. Notifications help you stay on top of things before they become urgent. For example, you might want a reminder one day before a deadline, 1 hour before a meeting, or even several reminders for a major event. Google Calendar lets you customize these alerts so you can decide exactly when you want to be notified. If something is especially important, don't rely on memory alone. Set the reminder so your calendar works as your backup system. Another useful feature is Google Tasks. If you have things to complete but they don't need a full calendar block, put them in tasks instead. This is great for to-do items like sending an email, paying a bill, making a call, or finishing a small assignment. Tasks keep your calendar cleaner because not everything needs to appear as a timed event. You can still organize your tasks by date and keep them visible without overcrowding your schedule. Think of calendar for events and tasks for action items. As you organize your calendar, don't forget to remove or delete outdated events you no longer need. Old meetings, cancelled plans, and expired reminders can create clutter and make your schedule harder to read. Go through your calendar and clear out anything that is no longer relevant. This small cleanup step makes a big difference because it helps you focus only on what actually matters now. A clean calendar is much easier to trust. Finally, review your calendar regularly using week or month view. This is important because organization is not a one-time setup. Your schedule changes and your calendar should stay updated with it. Week view is perfect when you want to focus on the immediate days ahead, while month view helps you see the bigger picture. Spend a few minutes each week checking what's coming up, adjusting events, and making sure your color coding, recurring items, and reminders still make sense. This habit will keep your calendar useful instead of overwhelming. And that's how to organize Google Calendar in a way that's simple, clean, and easy to maintain. If you follow these steps, you'll have a much better system for managing work, personal life, and everything in between. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful Google and productivity videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.